Hey everyone, just jumping on the Facebook, as Vin Lamantia would say. And I figured I would give you guys my 5 quick diet tips for people that are just beginners, or even if you're confused about all the information out there. I figured I would narrow it down to my 5 top diet tips to start your nutrition program off right. So we're going to just go through them right now. Hey, Joe, how are you, bud? Haven't seen you in a long time. Dan, thanks for joining me. Ed. All right, so, hey, Steve, what's up? Gary Hirsch, long time no see. Helen, hi. So, 5 quick diet tips from Dr. Lucente. Here we go. Number 1, avoid all soda. Okay? All soda. See, all is underlined. Diet soda, no good. Okay, so if you think I'm drinking diet soda, I'm saving the calories, wrong. It messes with your insulin. It tricks your body to produce insulin, makes you hungrier. In the long run, will make you gain weight. So avoid all soda. This also really goes for fruit juices as well. Unless it's fresh squeezed juice, I would put fruit juice in the same category as soda. So again, avoid all soda. Hey Mary, hey Ray, nice to see you on here. My buddy Don Zim Klein, how are you, bud? Okay, number 2 goes along the line. Avoid diet foods. I see a lot of people, they buy diet cookies, diet bread, diet donuts. So avoid diet foods. Again, they're filled with processed food, they're processed ingredients, really not good for you. You're not really saving much in calories because it's the quality of the calorie, not the quantity of the calorie. That's important. So 100 calories of blueberries is a lot different than 100 calories of a diet coffee cake. Okay, that makes sense, right? It's about the nutrients that you're getting out of your food. So don't just fill your body with empty calories. Okay, number 3. Do not eat carbs after 7 p.m. As a general rule, if you're trying to lose weight, any meals after 7 p.m., I recommend just letting it be protein and vegetables. You could have a salad, all types of greens. So you don't want to go to bed with a belly full of carbs that get converted to fat and when they're not being used for sugar. Hey, Joe DeLeo, congratulations, 65 pounds. I'd love to chat with you, see how you did it. Great job, man. That's awesome. You made a really big difference in your own life. Okay, here we go. Start your day off with 8 ounces of water with fresh squeezed lemon. I'm having trouble centering that. Okay, there we go. Start your day with 8 ounces of water with fresh squeezed lemon. It's a great way of detoxifying your liver, great way to hydrate your body in the morning, give you a good start to your day. Maybe even curb some morning time hunger. So that's a good little trick. I like what it does for the liver. It actually helps get rid of some toxins in your liver. Hi, Rochelle. Rob George, great seeing you on here. Thanks for joining me. So that's 4. Here's the 5th one. And this is the most important one, and probably one you haven't seen anywhere else. 17 out of 21 rule. Pay attention to this one. So many people that I coach go on a nutrition program and they mess up. Hey, Mikey Arms, what's up? How are you, buddy? They mess up and they say, you know what? I'm going to start my diet tomorrow or next week or next month. I messed up. So my rule, 17 out of 21. If you could eat 17 out of the 21 meals, right, breakfast, lunch, dinner in a 7-day week, 17 out of 21. If you could do 17 out of 21 healthy meals in a week, you are going to lose weight and you are going to be healthy. So do not beat yourself up when you quote unquote cheat. You should be on a nutrition program for the long haul, not just for the short term. So what you want to do is if you eat something that you shouldn't have, or you're in a wedding or a situation where you're just eating things that are not part of your normal healthy diet routine, just chalk it up and the next meal eat something healthy, right? It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. I see so many people that guilt themselves when they eat something that's not healthy. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Your health comes from being consistent, consistently eating nutrient-dense foods, drinking enough water, getting enough exercise. If you mess up, chalk it up and just start over, right? So I want you to do 17 out of 21 meals healthy. So that gives you 4 meals where you don't have to be perfect. I'm telling you, at the end of the week, you're still going to lose weight. You're going to still feel good about yourself. So don't beat yourself up. So quick review for any of these that joined a little late. 5 rules. 1, avoid all soda, including diet soda. 2, avoid diet foods because they're highly processed. Just because it's saving you calories doesn't mean it's doing anything for you nutritionally. Nutrient-dense foods are the way to go. 3, do not eat carbs after 7 p.m. Any meals after 7 should just be proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. Number 4, start your day with 8 ounces of water with lemon, both to hydrate yourself and detoxify your liver. And finally, the last one, which was my favorite. Hey, Gary, thanks for joining me, buddy. Brian, thank you. Anne-Marie, hi, nice to see you on here. Last one, 17 out of 21 rule. Out of the 21 meals, if you could do 17 healthy ones, that's awesome. Pat yourself on the back. Don't beat yourself up when you cheat. It's not cheating. Nobody's perfect. Do your best. If you eat something that you feel is unhealthy or you messed up, the very next meal, eat something healthy. All right? That's all I have to say. I will see you guys soon. Look for my video, my next one, which will probably be on testosterone replacement and female hormone replacement therapy and what could be done about female and male menopause or andropause. So look for that Saturday. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me on Facebook. And I thank you all for joining me. Everybody have a great night. Hey, Rachel.